I've done this climb again and again and it never gets easier. But I want to eat, so I have to earn it. Let's go. 'Cause I want to just vibe with you.
I really did not question the hike here, but I know the reward I'm going to receive at the top. When was the last time you take a hike? What better way to get the workout in? Backpack with me through the hills today. One of the number one thing to ensure that you have when you are hiking, let me know. But for me, it is a bottle of room temperature water. Because I'm not telling a lie. These things can leave you perched. In other words, these things can leave you thirsty as To the things that are most beneficial for we, it sometimes take the most effort. Nature, trees, birds, sounds, and so eat me up. I'm going to remind you again, when you can't get for hungry when in their country got too much food out there.
In the blue, sunlight's a whisper, it's breaking right through. I'm a spark, I'm a flame, I'm a fuse.
So guys, see why we have to plant the food. They have the pepper them mama always a cook. So we grow what we eat and we eat what we grow. See that? I take 2 green ones.
Come and dance with me. Breathe in, let it spin. We're a galaxy. Clouds in my coffee, but I sit.
So I will take a look on the chicken them and see what I want today. Chicken for sale, link me up. I'll show you something. So you see we have some just born over here, so back in the Gideon. So them money when them reach the second stage. The second stage with the chicken. So you see them over there, so when them just born, you saw when them a teenager, them a grow up a little bit, so you can see the whole of a teenager there right. So this is just my terminology food now, right? Alright guys, that is it. Say goodbye to our little chicken farm. Not to eat up, I'm gonna. Yes. So we are go through the Gideon. I get a piece of stick. Something firm we can help we go through the Gideon. It's gonna be a ride. Alright, we'll get a bigger, longer one. I want a better shoes today. Nike, don't feel me like the sandbag. We're gonna log off, and then when we reach a better part of the slope, we'll come back to it, alright? So I'm gonna go and keep it showing. This is one of the more serious part then, so I'm gonna try to see if we can go now and better vlog and me I go up a little bit, alright? It might not perfect, but in so I can see the person there, so I have to make sure I say I'm good, so they're not gonna be able to focus too much on the vlogging, because this is a treacherous piece of hill. So let's go. You know, leave it at me though. strong enough.
One.
Alright, so when I see the climb, right? I'm telling you the things that are most rewarding takes the most effort. And I always remember that quote, my funny. You see now we're at the top? Yeah, I can see the beautiful sun. I wanna see how me I sweat. Yeah, all in the good workout. We work out the waist, we work out the belly, we work out the bottom, we work out everything. Guys, who watched the last hiking vlog? You remember the landmark here? Big mango tree overlooking the rest of the hills. So guys, we basically are going to complete the rest of the journey. We're going to journey the rest of the way to the farm. And the farm, you guys are going to see lots of mangoes because it's mango season. And we're going to see jackfruit, breadfruit, cane, and we're going to try to get as much food as we can before we go back down the hill. Alright, on a journey with me as we continue the rest of the trip to the farm.
Chill up, let your heart fly free. Chill up, come and dance with me. Breathe in, let it spin. We're a galaxy. Clouds in.
Guys, we kind of clean up the soursop right now because we'll pick it for see some little things on it. If you don't know what them things they were we are drip off of the soursop, let me know in the comments. We'll see how much I want to know about farm life. See how much I want to know about them type of living here, earth, and the things them we go on earth. Comment if you don't know what them something is, guys. Natural sunlight.
Coffee, but I said it just fine. Laughter's a melody that tangles with time. I'm a dream, I'm a stream, I'm a rhyme. Let it climb. Roll it back. Feel the glow. Catch the vibe. Let it show.
You're so skilled.
Chill up, let your heart fly free. Chill up,
See this?
that tingles with time. I'm a dream.
You can't talk to me, you know. Guys, none of them something here. You can't talk to me. Yeah.
Roll it back. Feel the glow. Catch the vibe. Let it show. Chill up, let your heart fly free. Chill up, come and dance with me. Breathe in, let it spin. We're a galaxy.
So I get some breadfruit. I get some lime now. So we have to go up the hill. Go further. I want ya. Look, it's a work out them part of the body. You can feel it. It's also really cool up here. So I'll go for the thing that we used to make that fresh lemonade that I am now obsessed with because whew, I don't know, it just had different flavors, just had different vibes. Yeah. So reach up and now see how far we are come from. We don't get so. Yeah. This is it. I go and roll a sat somewhere right here, so while you go pick the line, then come and I'll go no further. Yes, but yeah, come through, galley. Yeah, gal up. Yeah. Time I make sure we're me one better sneakers. The sandbags failed me the last time, tear off, and an authentic something. So you see, that's why we don't worship vanity, because so it come and so it go. Yeah, the good sandbags, but roll for money, the foot tear off. So we are stick to the good old Nike. Never fail me yet. Yeah, outside. Like I mean, won the place. Hey, y'all pre, but them can't touch base car. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Shardy, yeah. We not beg like, we not beg cloud. Everywhere we go, them off a top out. We the top girl, man, I need shout out. Clean every time. We not left out. We not take check. We not take press step in the room. Vibes get loud. Them girls struck them around them out. Girl face lame never press some power. My life sweet them bitter out. Me not fit instant out from crowd. Real bad girl, which man can play me out. Whew. Me no chase man, me no man scout. Nah run down man that lame and weak. Me stick back cool them crawl and creep. Me no take bread from me want the peaceful team want me. Me just click delete. Boop. Nah lose sleep if I cheat on me. Just know me the street. Outside cute vibes never obsolete. Walk pan earth like runway street. Out pan yacht where they stuck pan seat. Life too rich we compete with she. Out in the sun while they stuck in the seat. Pretty and better than me still elite. Yeah. New woman na call pan me yacht me day ya pick. New woman na call pan my farm me day ya pick. Laughing at you while me a wine me hip. Say you pressure me, please. Me pressure your wrist. Call me too glam for your man full of mix. When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, best believe it. They gon' fuck on anything. These niggas just too easy. Low down dirty, good for nothing dogs. I'm convinced. Can't wait to see your mama tell her how she raised a bitch. We going out, pop outside. We going out, yeah. Me and you to the egg. Tired. Me and the girls roll out. Girls night out. Pocket full of money, yeah, team, so you know we ting up. We know the pen pan boy, cause a bad girl style tell a little broke chopper move up. Designer team when we roll out. Top girl we a lead them a shout out. And we not new to the game when we make a big Ben spark up. Yeah, me and my girls are gonna rough up the night. We dress we impress cause we in our vibes. Boy, man I sing nothing more, kinda tired. But if y'all haven't checked out Faith, make sure to check it out on the video. It's also on my Vivo, so go ahead. Links to all our music platform them in the description box below. I'm going to one more. Long as I'm breathing, I'll never fail. Jah give me strength, I'm not weak, so I will prevail. And when I am weary, He told me to call His name. Oh Jah. And I want you. God alone, Jah alone. Sing in the shadows, I wander, my heart heavy with the load. So I lift my hands high, I trust in each step on this road. The whispers of hope surrounds me in the depths of the night. I know I'm never forsaken. I'm guided by faith's light. And Jah alone, God alone, hear my woes, hear me, oh, fix it all, He's gonna fix it all. God alone, Jah alone, nobody else, no blue soap down a river, no candlelight service, straight God, kneel, city and prayer. Best believe that God will believe in a Peter carry we through long uphill climb, but we have to get there because I'm sure the way we have patience, we have clasp our hands and close our eyes and wait upon God's grace and wait upon God to drop the dividends. Now understand this? Pure badness. Yeah. Kick off. I'm on my retreat, and I can call it that, and I have no regrets, just kind of taking myself away from the noise of the city for a while, spending more time in nature, connecting with nature, and just finding myself. I feel like I am becoming a new person. I feel like I'm becoming the best version of myself. I feel like I'm becoming stronger, braver, wiser, you know. And sometimes it's better to invest yourself in what it is that you're doing. You know, sometimes you can't have people to do things for you, but it's always good when you connect with it, with whatever it is that you're doing, and connect with what you're investing in, so you can learn more as you go along every single day. So I just them things I need to, you know, fulfill myself, and I'm doing it more often as I get older, because I feel like this is life, you know. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose in soul? In the city, I am busy. Like in other country I'm busy too, but in the city is a different type of busy mentality we have. It's just like everything is going by so fast to the point where you don't even have as much time to be grateful. Out in nature, every day you wake up to God's beautiful creations, you know. Every day you are reminded of how great thou art, of how beautiful earth is in nature, you know. You're reminded of it, so it gives you more opportunity to just stop and give thanks, and, you know, just be grateful for every single waking day. When you see how God provide for us, you know, and he puts things in place for us to even provide for ourselves. Everything is already on earth. Everything we want to see come is just being redesigned or reprogrammed by mankind. God already give everything what we need. This is a good way for us to learn about yourself. Spend some time within yourself, man. I'm not stop say that on the channel here, because I don't feel like a lot of people understand what it means to know yourself. It's when you know yourself, it just means that you are sure about who you are, because you understand yourself to a certain level. And that's why I'm telling us that every day when I must get up and make it a day where we try to learn how to make yourself better than the person one is yesterday. Don't focus on people. Don't focus on what people have to think about. You know, don't focus on the locals. Don't focus on what people have to say. Just understand that people are going to always talk, no man. Just understand that words are going to always come out of people's mouth. People are going to always have their perception of you. All when them don't know, them are going to talk what them think them know. You have to just let them, you know, just let them do what is best for them, while you continue to stay steadfast and focus by your journey and focus on what is best for you. It is important for us to build ourselves each and every day, and them things don't must use the time wisely and do. Stop worrying about people. People not gonna ever change. Just like how God have him soldiers them, the devil have him soldiers them as well. And them out every day at work and a tile. You know, them out there for make people miserable. Them out there for make people sad. Them out there for talk anything with them want talk. Them out there for do anything with them want do. You know, you have to just learn self-control, and it all starts within the mind. You know, whatever the mind perceives, it receives. It all starts within the mind. Sometimes we have to learn to ignore people, ignore the talks, ignore the noise, and just stay focused. And even as I am saying that to you guys, I'm also reminding myself, because I am not perfect. I am human, and sometimes we get overwhelmed, sometimes we get full, sometimes we explode, you know. But this is why anytime I find myself, I lose myself, I have to come back in nature. And this is when you know yourself, you know who you are, you know what you stand for, you know what you're about. Whenever you know yourself, you'll always acknowledge when you are walking too far away from grace. And whenever you acknowledge that, then you're going to know, say, listen, you have to get yourself back in alignment, you have to balance yourself again. And I think that is what it really is for me. I am balancing my mind. I'm taking myself out of the city, out of the noise, putting myself into nature intentionally, so that I can stay focused, and so that I can keep my mind refreshed and balanced, and so that I'm not really get corrupt, you know. Because the things that people do sometimes can make you get corrupt, and corruption can make you make a bad decision for yourself out of ego and out of frustration. And we don't really want to go down them road there. You know, we have a beautiful daughter. I don't know if I told you guys, but those of you that have been following my vlogs from the beginning of time, then y'all would know Mia. Mia is my daughter. I talk about her a lot. Mia is doing exceptionally well in school. She's been getting accepted in some of the best colleges in the United States with scholarship. clock that with scholarship, you know, and I'm so proud of her. I talk to my daughter every day about, you know, her greatness and how far she can reach if she keeps focused, and I'm so happy that she went to the States and she never really changed her mindset. She never really changed nothing, you know. She stood focused and she kept to the goal. And if I can ask her to do something for me, and regardless of the issues them what she face or the struggles them what she go through, because life is not easy, she has managed to stay focused, then me as the leader have to maintain as well, you know. So if she has stay focused, me have to stay focused regardless of the distractions, isn't it? So when I big up Mia, another comment, Mia is finally going off to college. She has made up her mind what college she wants to go to, irrespective of all the other colleges that have accepted her. So yeah man, and I go and big up Mia. She had a good. Mia is doing very well, as I say. Some of the biggest colleges them from Howard, but we never know about 15 different colleges. We say accept Mia already with scholarship, guys. She had a good. When a big her up and have a chat for me, yeah, but that's all good. And yeah, I have to make sure that my balance, you know, because I'm not doing all of this just for me, I'm also doing this for her as well. So yeah, out here in nature, guys, gonna big up for yourself. That was my grandma now, right? So right after me I like off the vlog, I'm not carrying through the hill because I have to go focus because we are going down now. So if you enjoy the vlog, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Soon in the next week vlog, I'm more nation. I go through the Gideon now. I have to show you this. Because when I tell us about body that real life, what about the thing I draw? Who never sit there now, Father God? Cha-cha.